So, hi guys, today we are going to make a healthy and tasty, especially breakfast milkshake for kids and old age people. So, this milkshake is very healthy, and we would use pistachio and dates, some sugar, and milk in this. These are some ingredients you have to add and blend. This is date, this is pistachio, and now so these are some new cups we bought, and we have a craze to try them, so we'll try them too. We have soaked the dates so they can easily blend in lukewarm water, and some chopped pistachios are here, which are going to go in that milkshake to make that even more tastier. So now we are adding 1 cup milk, actually full cream milk, in the blender, and now we're going to add some sugar because it's for us, so we are adding more sugar. You could adjust them according to your taste. Now some soaked dates, and after that, we're going to add some chopped pistachios. Now it's the blending time.
2,000 years later.
And now it's the pouring time, and my favorite time. Now we'll taste it. And look, it is so creamy. Honestly, I like this so much. I've tried this a million times. And it was giving a premier feeling that I was drinking in this cup. And thanks for watching, and follow for more.